Let's say you have a giant piece of lumber sitting around your house that's far too big for your planer. The Veritas Router Sled Table Kit allows you to take that piece and flatten it like you would on a planer using your handheld router. The kit comes with 3 pieces of Baltic birch that's pre-drilled. These are the trunnions, which are on each side, and the center carrier. It also comes with the hardware to make these glides, and it comes with 8 U-bolts to attach the trunnions to the gantry. You'll need a table to make this kit work. I got the lumber and the pipes to build the table at my local building supply store. The instructions are super simple to follow. I built this table to the maximum size because of the size of my slab, but there are several options for smaller sizes to accommodate smaller workpieces or smaller workspaces. Once your table's set up, you need to attach your router to the carrier. And we're ready to go. Once I put my eye protection on and my ear protection in, we're going to continue. As you can see, I've done up to this point, and we're going to continue on to the end of the slab.